Good morning. Thanks for your company this Monday, the 4th of November. Well, the local share market is on for a good start to the week, with the futures suggesting the benchmark index will rise 0.4% or rise by 25 points to 6,671 points, which will take us back to Friday's high. The positivity is flowing from Wall Street, where US equities closed off their week at another record high on stronger than expected jobs data, with the US economy adding 128,000 jobs in October, smashing through the just 75,000 jobs that the economy was expected to add. We saw ExxonMobil hand down a stronger than expected quarterly result, and their shares jumped 3% as a result, while Apple shares hit another fresh record high, up 2%. All in all, the broad S&P 500 ended 1% higher to 3,067 points, a fresh record close, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq also hit an all-time high, up 1% to 8,386. What to watch today? Well, Westpac shares are expected to rise over 1%, and that's if you look at the early buyers in the market after the Big Four handed down its full-year results early this morning. All key metrics were lower for the Big Four bank for their year ending 30 September. Their revenue fell 6% and their net profit was down 16% to $6.7 billion. Its final dividend was cut as well, from 94 to 80 cents in the second half, but it maintained the franking credits, and that's the tax that it pays on its dividends, and that will help shareholders. And to raise the capital held, which is an ASIC requirement, Westpac announced plans to raise $2.5 billion, $2 billion via an underwritten institutional placement and $500 million via a share purchase plan to the public, hoping to raise shares at a price of $25.32 per share. And that's a 6.5% discount to its last close price. Also, what to watch today at 11:30. Retail sales data is out for September. So are we spending more at the shops or are we spending less? Well, consensus is expecting that sales will rise 0.5% in September, but some forecasts are much weaker than that, while the prior reading for August told us that sales rose slightly, 0.4%. Credit Corp, the debt buying company, is holding their AGM today. And locally, what to watch tomorrow? Well, the race that stops the nation is, of course, on in Melbourne Cup. Lucky for those who have the public holiday in Victoria, while broadly the RBA holds their monthly meeting with rates expected to hold at 0.75%. We're also expecting the services sector reading for Tuesday tomorrow, and the services sector is expected to slow to a reading of 51.3, but it's still going to be an expansionary phase. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.